This video is going to show how to remove the motor from Singer 301, 301A, 400 series, 500 series, 600, and 700 series. This one is a model 401A. With the 301s, 4s, and the 500s, you're going to have two screws on the top. The 600 series have a screw to the front and a retaining clip underneath, and the 700 series, I believe, are the same way. The 500s, you'll probably have to lift up the lid to find these two screws, but all you need is a flat blade screwdriver to pull these off. And on some models, you'll probably have to lift off the nose piece too, because it'll fall in, or fall off, I'm sorry. Under the machine, there's normally a cover, and in the center of a cover is a thumb screw. You can remove that and pull the plate off. Some of the other models, the 600 series, there's a couple screws, I believe, on those, and some of the later 600s you have to undo the feet a little bit and slide the plastic off, even though it has the thing. You'll have to look. If there's plastic, they have a thick plastic bottom, and if it goes under the feet, you'll just have to unscrew them a little bit, and they should be notched to slide out. After you've got your cover off, the motor's held in by a screw and this motor retaining plate or part bracket, whatever you want to call it. And now we can see the motor. Well, we could see the motor before, but now you see the wires. These just lift right off. So remove them. Now, a trick here with this motor, because a lot of them are stuck, is twisting it little by little back and forth. You don't want to get in there really and pry with anything because there's plastic, and this one is one of those perfect examples. Another thing that helps when you're going to remove it is pushing on the top of the motor shaft, the gear. Now, you don't want to bang that with anything because it can damage the motor itself. Now, if you're really stuck, like this one is, best case is take a screwdriver. Now there's metal housing. You want to get below the plastic because you don't want to break your plastic. And give your screwdriver just a little twist. You see how that turned? So now we got it broken free. And what you want to do is push on the motor shaft while twisting this back and forth with your fingers. And eventually, it's a pain in the butt. Eventually out it comes. And there's your motor. 301s are a little different gear. 400s, 600s look the same. 500s have a little stem for the bobbin winder, so you're going to have to watch with that, which is located internally on the top on the 500 series machines. And then for putting it back in, once you have your motor, whatever, I mean, it just really just slides in and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps you.